Good day guys, welcome. In this video we're discussing, and of course I'm showing you some good legit discount codes for Temu. So guys, you can find multiple sites like this one, for example, Voucher Codes UK, where you can get these free basically codes that will give you some sums off your purchases on Temu. So it's either going to be a full cash, as you can see, just a cash off, or it's going to be a % off, right? So Temu already provides some very legit and very high discounts on the platform, even without these codes. But these will basically get you to basically very close to the zero. So if you want to have maximum discounts, you can browse for these coupon codes and of course apply them on the checkout. So the way this is done, you just go to Temu. As you can see, I've added one item into the cart. So just go to your cart, then press on checkout, and in here upon checking out you will have to of course fill in your information, first name, last name, your address and stuff like that, your phone number, and of course at the very end where there's going to be a button make payment, you will have a field where you will be able to of course insert the code, right? So just copy this code, and for example in some field you can just insert it like this and apply it, and it will cut off the price for the item you're trying to purchase, and you will have a way lower price, of course. So yeah, very handy. So guys, just make sure to browse some coupons, for example, on this website or on the others, and enjoy some free discounts. Guys, enjoy the tutorial, like the video and subscribe to us. Click on the notification bell to not miss new uploads. We upload some fresh videos every day, and of course, see you soon.